In this video, I will discuss one type of heel used in hand knit socks, the Fleegle heel. This is a video in my sock series. Be sure to check out my other sock knitting videos. I'll link to the playlist at the end. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I go live or post a new video. If you'd like to play along and try this heel out, there's a tutorial pattern to go along with this video linked in the description box below. There is a little bit of homework to work before this pattern, so that is linked in the description box below as well. This heel is named the Fleegle heel because it originated on a blog called Fleagle's Blog. I'll link to that original blog post in the description box below so you can check it out. It's a toe-up, no heel flap heel, and it looks really, really neat. This is the Fleegle heel, and it is a toe-up heel traditionally, so the knitting was worked this way. Gusset increases are worked until you have double your total number of stitches minus 2. Then short row decreases are worked, beginning just 2 stitches away from the center of the back heel to turn this heel over all of the sole stitches. So there is no heel flap. On the final row of decreases, you resume working in the round and work your last set of decreases, leaving you your original stitch number plus 2. So then you need to decrease those 2 extra stitches away, however, pretty much wherever you want to place them in that final round at the top of the heel. This heel provides more space in this heel diagonal measure from the apex of the heel to the instep. So this might fit some foot shapes a little bit better. You can work this heel cuff down if you would like. It will just look flipped like so, which still is an attractive looking heel and would provide a very similar fit for the foot. Give this heel a try. See the link in the description box below for the tutorial pattern so you can try it out yourself. So that was the Fleegle heel. Be sure to check out my other sock knitting videos. The playlist will be linked at the end. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.